Hello Glamour Moments, happy weekend. So we're going to the gym today. Ayan, umaraw na. So medyo malamig pa rin yung wind. Kaya naka-jacket tayo and naka-cap tayo ng Hello Kitty. So antayin natin yung bus that going to the gym. It's a free bus dito sa village namin. It goes around the supermarkets, groceries, malls, tsaka gym, tsaka yung mga facilities dito sa area namin. So let's go! So yan na yung aming bus, yung liliko. Sasakay na ako. See you around, guys! So guys, tapos na tayo mag-walking. Uwi na tayo. So naka 5,000 steps na tayo today. Pagod na ako. So we're going home. Elevator tayo. Ayoko mag-stairs. So, ayan ang mga floor dito. First floor, yung lobby. May salid yung gym. Doon ako nagsusumba. May second floor yun, yung mga fitness. And third floor yung truck. Doon tayo galing. So, ayan. So, ito yung exterior ng gym. Ayan. So, maglakad tayo over there. And wait for our bus going home. Medyo mainit na yung araw. Pero yung hangin, medyo malamig pa din. So, kaya naka-jacket pa din. Malakas hangin dito sa area na to. So, may grand piano exhibit dito. It is called Mosaic. Mary Finnegan and Shannon McLennan, the artist. So, yan yung definition yung mosaic nila. Tapos meron pa isang exhibit dito, yung tower, meaning tower. Ayan, sila mataas pa sa akin, layo ako. So ayan, ganyan siya kataas. So ayan, ganyan siya kataas. So eto yung bus stop, yan ang post office. Yan ang parang City Hall. Tawag dito ay Civic Center. So dito yung mga facility, voting, etc. Kung gusto mong gawin ng services. And antayin natin yung bus darating na 2:38 daw. that's end of our vlog today. So tomorrow, babalik ulit sa gym for my Zumba class. And pauwi na ako. Hindi masyadong mahangin dito sa lugar namin. So ayan. So pare-pareho ng itsura ng apartment. So hindi pa tumutubo yung mga trees. We need rain. Pero wag muna ngayon. May iba tumubo na yung mga trees. So enjoy your weekend. Yun, may school dito sa tabi. All boys school. So yun lang guys. I'll see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And see you next time. Bye.